We've made it. And that's the view around. The babe and Tyler discovered something and had to come back to get me. He's gone. It would probably be easier for you now. Good morning, good afternoon and good night. My face look oily. I don't have on much makeup today, but that's okay. Hi guys, the fam bam is on the road. We're on a road trip as usual. We're always going on road trips. They're driving, Ty is chilling. Ty, say good morning. How are you? Oh, my baby's talking. Oh my god, every time he talks, it does get me so bad. We're under the tunnel, that's why we look yellow. You guys, we're on a road trip going to a city called Ez. Either of us has never been there before. I think babe had planned to take me to this city for my birthday weekend. Oh, ghost. For my birthday weekend, but because I had to work the Friday, so he had to change his plan, so we ended up going today because I guess he really wanted to go and see what the city has to offer. So it's just another road trip for us, and of course another awesome adventure. So we are going to be close to Monaco area. So we just left home. We are, I want to say I'm a little police. That's not police. It's not police, but it looks like police. Smart boy. He's so smart. You're so smart. Oh my gosh, when we were leaving the house just now, he said, Mama, pictures. He knows the routine that mommy's gonna take pictures. So yeah, we are on our way to this city. And car, yay. What color car is that? Yes, gray. So it should be a good day. It should be a good day. We woke up and we worked out. They went out for a run and I got some skipping and we did abs and it was really a good session of it. It was really a good session. So make sure you guys are having a good day. Even though it's Saturday, make sure you guys get your workout in. There is no such day as no workout day. If it's your rest day and you feel like workout, then workout. All right, it doesn't really matter what you do, whether you go out and run like babe did this morning, whether you skip like I did, whether you're walking up the hill, just do something. And on that note, have a good day. Enjoy this vlog. Give it a thumbs up because you know it's going to be an awesome vlog. Thank you guys for watching. We finally reached the city that we are visiting today. Babe, say hi.
Hi guys. I can't even look because the light
the sun and he doesn't want sunglasses, but I'm just going to show you from where we are right now, the point of view from a part of the city. It's right there. Let me see if I can see that. My bus passing. I think that's a church. That's a church right here that I'm looking at. That's a church right there. The yellow thing is a church, right? And what is also cool that I'm excited about, I heard that there should be, I think like a little food festival or something that is happening, and I think that's where I want to go first. So let the walking begin. Thank God I don't have on shoes with heels, so I don't need to complain. I have on flats, comfies, and so does babe as usual. So yeah, the parking here is terrible though. Terrible parking. We have to park all the way up and walk about like 10 minutes or so. and it's a good thing that we park in that part that we park, because there's so much parking that is full and people have to wait on the shuttle bus to carry them where they want to go and whatnot. So we finally like a sneaky parking, so we took it. But I'm looking forward to see what this has to offer. So let's go. It's a lot of tourists though, and it's such a beautiful day out. You don't even need a sweater really. What is this? Paella. Paella. Over there you have cheese, you have all different kind of things. What is this? Mojito. Oh, that's wine. You have wine over there. Oh yeah, so much different things. You have honey over here. Oh Lord. What is this one? Checkpoint where we see that we have to pay. Don't know how much we have to pay, but
sortir un peu tout ça. Les popcorn. Allez. Tout est bon.
Merci.
Bonne journée. Voilà.
Going up this hill. So they have chefs on display. They're top chefs.
Yeah, the win competition.
Okay,
Like,
cool.
Best of the year.
No, there's art going on here. That's cool. I think there's a souvenir shop over there. Oh, property privé.
2-star restaurant.
Here? Okay.
Look at the menu.
Damn, look at the cost. Hey, just keep going. No, don't.
200 for the menu.
Damn, you guys, look at this menu. See the cost of this menu? For 7 years and older. Spray painting, I think they're doing over here.
3 years and more.
Oh, Tyler, sorry.
Next year.
Next year, my love. Tyler would love this one because he's obsessed with painting. That's cool. Spray painting art is going on right here. Look at that. That's awesome.
This is like the second part of the World Cup.
Babe have to be pushing Tyler up this hill. It's been an uphill ever since we started. From down where the checkpoint is. That's ice cream spots over here. There's hot dog and beer spot over here. What is this? Oh, seasonings. Different kind of seasonings here. Oh, lavender. Yeah, I'm good here. Different kind of spices.
It's more here.
Choo-choo?
Yeah, I mean more expensive.
Wow! Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that! Wow! Oh my gosh, look at that! Look at that beauty! Wow! That's awesome! So we're just following these trails, trying to see where it takes us, really. That looks like a jeweler shop. And this is a restaurant that we're passing through right now. Huh? How far are you gonna go with this stroller? How far are you gonna reach with it? I don't think you're gonna get very far. What? The name of the restaurant? Okay. This place is not stroller friendly. You can see that this place has been built for years and years. It's not stroller friendly at all.
We're just waiting.
Tyler probably gonna have to walk. I hear a lot of English speakers. This tunnel is so cool. So this tunnel is so cool.
We call it medievals. Medieval is from Middle Age. It's like, yeah, Middle Age here.
He's gone. It will probably be easier for you now. Can you wait for Mama? Go. Voila. Go on. So you guys, we're in the garden right now, an exotic garden they call it. It's kind of foggy, so you can't see the beach that is over there, but all this over here is beach. And Tyler is making his way. I'm coming to tie it. Yes, honey.
Land.
Uh-huh.
This is where we've been to visit the big house.
Really? Okay. Okay. Come, let me tie your shoes. Come here. Hold this. Tyler is having a blast. You're going to knock out as soon as we get back down. I'm sure of it. No? Go, Tyler, go. Dog, dog, dog. Careful. Say woof, woof. Doggy. Doggy, doggy. Say hello, doggy. Go. Oh, the church is just there, behind these trees. Look at this child going up the hill. Well, wow, honey, look. Wow, Tyler, look at that. Wow, it's so pretty. So you say which of these islands is Nice? This one?
Second one.
That one? And that one is where we went to the house?
The second one is.
And this little one is where?
The top is like the fort. You see like the things like this. Like the fort we went. Remember?
And there's a highway right there. Hot? Hot? It's not hot. So this is just a garden with cactus and different flowers.
Yeah,
mainly cactus, really.
People going here more
For the view, there's nothing in the garden for you to see, really. Made it to the top, you guys. We've made it. We've made it. We've made it. Damn, that's a view wrong.
Semula? Semula?
Bye. Bye-bye.
Ayo. Jika mama
You're hiding. Go to her. Go. Bye. See you later. Dance, Tyler, dance. Hey, telephone the girl. Telephone the pretty girl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look at him, he's gone. He forever find girls.
I don't know.
Ty, you found a girl. And he's so contented. Tyler found a girl. Look at him. Tyler, say bye. Say bye-bye. Wow, look at the ship. There's a ship down there. Wow, look at that view. Look at that view, baby. He wouldn't walk. The babe and Tyler discovered something and had to come back to get me because they know I can't pass up this picture opportunity. You guys hear it? A waterfall! Yes! Go, baby, go! Tyler, look! Yeah! You plane! Helicopter! Ooh. Wow! Go! Go, baby, go! Up! Up! Sarah's loving the waterfall. Go. Up for a snack break, and we're having these juices, non-alcoholic, crepe Nutella and crepe with what you have in the middle of yours.
It's crème de marron.
Okay. And Tyler already started. Eat. Come, babe, cheers. Yum. From our amazing day out, and the sunset is just about setting right now. You guys can see it peeking, coming around the corner. Like I said, I love this time of year because the sunset comes directly in front of the balcony. It's so amazing when the sunset is just right there. But we're home and I'm in the kitchen making dinner for the fam bam. And can you guess what I'm making? Comment down below and guess what I'm making. I am making something that I'm obsessed with for the past week, and if you've been watching the vlogs then you'll know exactly what that is. So comment down below and let me see if you guys know exactly what I've been obsessed with for the past week. So yes, if you guess that I am making quinoa for dinner, you're right. That's exactly what I'm making. So I'm making quinoa, which is here bubbling in this pot. Ooh. So there we have quinoa cooking there, and it's going with salmon and some veggies. So mine, babe, Tyler's, and quinoa is going to be added to that, and salmon. So that's what dinner is looking like for tonight. Bam. And we're going to have dinner and we're going to chill for the rest of the afternoon. So I'm just going to go ahead and end the vlog here and tell you guys thanks so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We really have a good day out, and I'm going to jump in and give you guys the Jamaican expression for today. Since I'm talking about food, me I'm gonna yam some food. So if you hear Jamaicans use the word nyam, the simple means they're going to eat. You get it? Make sure you get it. Babe, so the Jamaican expression.
You are going to yam something.
Nyam.
Yam.
Some food.
Yeah, yam.
Yes, nyam mean eat.
We say it in French.
Really?
Nyam in terms of... I remember in the neighborhood, I grew up, you know, you have like some slang from every neighborhood have their own slang.
Tyler, don't do that.
Like using some word. And we used to say nyam. So that's why.
Because look at this boy. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. Lord have mercy. And nyam was a slang, and it means like what? Nyam. It means what? Okay.
Like for example,
tight.
You know in French we used to add ER at the end. So we say nyame.
Okay. Really?
Nyame.
Well, there you also have the French expression coming right off the Jamaican expression. How it goes? Nyame?
Yeah, nyame, nyam for food.
Means to eat.
Nyame to eat.
Wait. Nyame. Nyame. That's hilarious. Nyame.
It's like slang, but it's not necessarily French. You will understand it.
Okay.
Well,
so it's a French slang in some parts of France.
Right.
Okay. So that's something interesting I just learned and you guys just learned. So there you have the French slang / expression for today and the Jamaican expression for today. And we're just going to have dinner, relax, watch some movies, play some games, and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. So, you want orange? Please? Look at him. You want orange? Come up here. You soon get the orange. Can you say bye to the vlog? Say bye. Bye. Say subscribe. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Say comment. Yes, and see you later. Tomorrow. Bye. I just can't get enough of him talking. Alright, babe. Your time.
Comment, like, share, everything, then
Catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. My son is crying for orange, so I gotta go.